Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to install a chain link fence gate. When you're installing a gate, you want to set your opening 4 inches wider than the width of your gate. So as you'll see in this example, we want a 36-inch opening, so we ordered gates that are 32 inches tip to tip exact width. You need 4 inches of space, that's 2 inches on each side, for the hinges and the latch to function properly.
To set the terminal post for the gate, we will dig the post holes in the desired locations. We will set the first post, and then as we set the second post, we will measure the opening. Once the post is plumb and we have our desired opening, we will set the post. We first tamp it plumb with dirt, then surround it with concrete. To see the process of installing chain link fence posts more in depth, check out our full installation tutorial. For now, in this video, we're going to focus just on installing the gates.
Your hinges for a chain link gate are made up of 2 parts. You have your frame clamp and your post hinge. Your frame clamp is going to go on the gate frame. We're using a 1 3/8 inch gate frame, so we have here a 1 3/8 inch frame clamp. We're using a 2.5 inch terminal post, so here we have a 2.5 inch post hinge. As you'll see, the post hinge has a rod on it that is going to simply insert into the frame clamp like this. Once these two are put together, you have an operating hinge. Your latch is going to consist of 2 parts as well. You have your collars. These are going to go onto the gate frame. We have a 1 3/8 inch set of collars here. And then you have your fork latch. Because we're using a 2.5 inch terminal post, we also have here a 2.5 inch fork latch. Goes like that. All right, these 2 pieces are going to connect together with nuts and bolts to create the latch. Now for this particular job, we have 2 gates. So I am going to first show you one gate slowly and explain every step of the process so you guys get the hang of it, and then we're going to show you the second gate sped up just so you could see us run through it one more time. Let's get started. Let's take a look at our gate. It is a gorgeous residential chain link gate, and as you'll see, we put some nice decorative scroll work on the top just for decoration. Now you'll see on each end of the gate we are going to put a little cap on the gate frame there just to complete it. First, you're going to put the post hinges on the terminal post. It's important that the top hinge faces down and the bottom hinge faces up. If you have both hinges facing up, you'll be able to just lift the gate and take it. So face the top down and the bottom up. Then you are going to put the frame clamps onto the gate frame. You're going to start with the bottom one and tighten it. Then you want to put the top one on, but leave it loose while you install the gate. That way you can get this gate into the top hinge simply by sliding up the frame clamp. Then once everything's in place, simply tighten it. You want to make sure the top rail of the gate frame is level with the top rail of the fence. And now you'll see it swings open and closed nice and smoothly. We are now going to install the latch.
First, you are going to put the collars on the gate frame, and then you will connect the fork latch. Once it is in place, tighten both sides. You want it tight enough so that it stays in place, but not too tight, as you need to have enough give for the fork to move up and down. Now we will move on to the second gate. First, put on your post hinges and frame clamps. Tighten the bottom frame clamp and connect it with the bottom post hinge. Leave the top frame clamp loose so that you can lift it into the top hinge. Then tighten it after. Remember to face the bottom hinge up and the top hinge down. Then you will put together the fork latch and tighten. Test the fork to make sure it is tight enough to stay in place, but that the fork is able to move up and down. Lastly, if you are installing a color chain link like we are, you are going to spray paint all of the nuts and bolts black so that they match the wire and the frame. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot. Click the link attached to see our full chain link fence installation tutorial. Here you will learn our 9-step process for installing a chain link fence start to finish. For any inquiries regarding material orders or installations, text or call me directly. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.